Welcome back to the Love Notions channel here on YouTube. I'm so glad that you're with us because I have some fun fabric finds that I'd like to share with you. These are fabrics that I am excited to sew with in the coming year and maybe even in the next couple of weeks. I hope you'll forgive me if this video is kind of all over the place, but it has just a whole bunch of different info that you're going to want to know if you sew with Love Notions. So we've got some big company news in here, some things that we're excited that are coming soon. We've got the info about today's Feature Friday pattern and all the goodies that are available with it. Just lots of dates about what's happening here at Love Notion. So if you are a sewist, you're going to want to stay tuned for the whole thing. Let's start first with the info that might have brought you in here, which is fabric that I am excited to sew with. I picked up some new fabric to me a few weeks ago at the Sew Expo. If you missed it, we did a tour of our whole booth and all of the offerings that we had for sewists from around the country, and it was so wonderful to meet so many of you. Thank you so much for stopping by and sharing with us how Love Notions has made an impact on you. It really meant the world to us, and it was a really galvanizing, inspiring, energy boosting moment for us as a company. So thank you so much for doing that. As we were there, we're at this big expo hall, and there's tons of fabric and tons of new pattern companies and different craft suppliers and lots of contacts that we made, and it was really wonderful. And I got to meet in person a few people that are fabric suppliers, and I picked up a few pieces that I am personally really excited to sew with. And the first piece that I picked up was from LA Finch Fabrics. I actually got 5 yards of this fabric. It is kind of like a Swiss dot. It has a little bit of a texture to it, but it has such a fluid drapiness to it, and I have so many plans for it. I think they said it was a cotton voile. First, tempo sundress, duh. Maybe like a rhapsody, a caprice skirt would be gorgeous. I mean, I have so much here. I will be able to, maybe I could even make like a matching tempo dress for one of my daughters and then a tempo dress for me. So, oh my goodness, how cute would that be for Easter? Okay, I think I might need to do that. This is one of the fabrics that I'm just really excited to sew with, and it was one of those pieces that just kind of like jumped off of the table to me and was like, I'm going with you. So this was so fun to see. I just feel like these colors are so vibrant. The texture of this fabric is so interesting. I don't know. It's just like one of those pieces that makes me excited to get into the sewing studio. So I hope that you have some pieces like this in your stash. If you don't, this is from LA Finch Fabrics. I think it's $12.95 a yard. I highly recommend. All right, another fabric that just really jumped out at me was from Amanda's Bundle, who was across from us in the booth at Sew Expo, and they had just an enormous display of fabric. They were by far the most popular booth, I think, in the entire expo. There were just people headed over there constantly. They were so busy. So I'm really happy for Amanda's Bundles and how wonderful the expo was for them. So I got a couple of things over there. The first one is this bamboo spandex. And what I like about this fabric is that it is a fun knit fabric. And I think I don't have enough of these sorts of like geometric print pieces of fabric. I have more just like plain colors, and so I'm excited to have like a t-shirt that has some interesting design to it. So I could make like a Barrington tee out of this. I should be able to make like a La Belladonna. By the way, those patterns are both now available as print patterns. We brought our print patterns to Sew Expo, and we just stocked in the store all of our La Belladonnas that were previously on pre-order. Like a Lennox top and dress would be really cute with this fabric. And I could even, like I said before, I could see just a really simple, nice tee in the Barrington boxy tee. So I'm excited to sew with a fabric that is just like a basic but has some interest to it. And I love a bamboo. The other fabric that I found there was 2 yards of this modal spandex rib. I just thought, I'm just like really into this kind of I don't know, jewel toned green. Beautiful rib knit. And again, it's bamboo. So I know that it's going to have that hand that I really like in a fabric. So I could see lots of different things for this fabric. One thing I was really excited to put together for this was the Summer Basics pattern. So it's just a plain tank or a plain tank dress that would be wonderful for the upcoming summer and spring. And again, I could do another Lennox top and dress with this fabric. So there's lots of different ways that I could use it. Okay, now let's talk about one of the fabrics that caught my eye immediately, and it was this one. This is called a Peached Performance Knit, and it has like this cute foil design on it, and it's kind of subtle but still really like cool and pretty, and I think this will make such a great piece. Now, what would I make with this? I immediately saw this and said, it is meant to be a Geneva jacket. So because this fabric has incredible recovery and stretch, and it's kind of like performance-based fabric, so it's ready for like workouts and moving and all those sorts of things, it's perfect for today's feature pattern, which is the Geneva Jacket. So if you're unfamiliar, at Love Notions, we do a feature pattern every week, which we give a special price and we take some time to talk about it. And that for this week is Geneva Jacket. So I think this fabric, just because it is lightweight, it's performance, it's ready for action, I think that this would be great for a Geneva jacket. I think actually the version that I'm wearing right now with the funnel neck with no closures, it has a welt pocket. I think this fabric is ready to do that job. Just a lightweight layer that you need as you go into the spring and summer months. So I'm really excited to sew this fabric into this pattern. Now, you might be wondering what the other options are for this pattern for Geneva Jacket. Obviously, I'm not wearing the jacket version. I'm wearing the pullover version right now with the raglan sleeves and the funnel neck. But the pattern also comes in a jacket form. And you can see princess seams. It's got the zip. It even has the little closure at the top where it's got like a zipper guard for you. Again, you can do a welt pocket, but you can also do a zip pocket. Just like lots of bells and whistles with this pattern. If you're curious about the fabric for this zip up version of Geneva Jacket, it is a fleece lined scuba. So again, the interior of it is nice and cozy. The version that you can sew with this pattern is the asymmetrical neckline. So it has that funnel neckline, but it has a cute little asymmetrical zip on the side. Again, you've got your raglan sleeves, you've got your princess seams, and all of the rest of the bells and whistles. Now, I think this fabric that we sewed this one in is incredible. And if you heard of the Air Essentials fabric from Spanx, this is sort of like a knockoff for that. It's like really spongy, it's really resilient, and it made a perfect Geneva pullover. This fabric was from Serge Fabric Shop, and it is called Techno Cupro. And it's sort of like a double knit fabric, almost like a scuba, but it's like nicer on the inside than most scubas are. And then lastly, the version that I'm wearing right here of Geneva pullover with the funnel neck, raglan sleeves, welt pockets, and of course the handy thumb hole cuff. This is a performance fabric from Serge as well. This is a peached performance, so it's really meant for workouts and running around and being active, a great lightweight layer, but it's still like resilient enough to handle all of the piecing that is involved in this pattern. It works great with the welt pockets and all of the rest of the details in this pattern. So the fabric that I've got here is from Serge Fabric Shop, and you can get it along with coordinating zippers and all of the other pieces that the pattern offers at Serge Fabric Shop. She's got a huge array of colors. She actually made kits for us when this pattern first released, and you can get a lot of the fabrics ready to go with matching zippers from Serge. So I highly recommend shopping over there and seeing what they've got in store. The other thing that I think is important to note about this pattern for this week is that this is our first time feature ever for this pattern. And in honor of the feature, you can get it for free when you purchase the sewing course. So I know that with this pattern, there's a lot of bells and whistles. There is maybe some parts of it that might feel a little bit intimidating. And for anybody who is a little bit more cautious when it comes to jumping on a project like this, I highly recommend getting the course. And you can get the pattern for free when you purchase the course this Friday only. So take a look at that course. It's just nice to have someone holding your hand with visuals for every single step of the way that can help you pick your size, pick your adjustment, then walk you through every single sewing step. I know some people might be a little bit nervous about welt pockets or about installing a zipper, but Tammy takes you through every step of the way so that you end up with something that you actually want to wear at the end of it. Okay, so now let's transition to talking about some things that are coming up at Love Notions that you might want to be aware of. Mark on your calendar, always stay tuned for. The best way to stay in tune with Love Notions is to join our email newsletter list and add us to your priority contacts so that you never miss a beat. We have an upcoming Feature Friday, and I'll just say that it is a classic pattern that people absolutely love that Tammy has added another option to. So I don't want to give away any more details about that, but I think you're going to want to check back in next week because we have something that I think you're going to really, really love and find useful in your sewing experience, especially if you've already purchased this pattern. Keep in mind that at Love Notions, all pattern updates and add-ons and all of those things are free, so you'll just need to re-download. So just stay in tune so that you don't miss out on what is going to be happening. Another thing I wanted to share with everybody is that while we were at Sew Expo, the new pre-order print patterns came in. So we now have La Belladonna as a print pattern, and we also have Muse Blouse as a print pattern option. We have about 15 or 16 print patterns, and while we started out and primarily are a digital sewing pattern company, offering these print patterns has been such a game changer for many people who are tired of printing them out themselves or haven't jumped on yet to projector sewing. We know that it's not for everybody, but for those who have been exclusively reliant on print patterns, these have been totally worthwhile and really useful. So we're so excited to add to the collection of print patterns available. And we've also updated a lot of our inventory. I think the only one that is out of stock right now is Melody Blouse. So that one is out of stock, but everything else should be ready to go, including just in time for spring and summer sewing, the Clearwater Summer Essentials pattern. This one's huge. There's so many pages inside of this one, and it gives you an athletic dress, all of the swim separates, biker shorts. It's got everything that you need. So I would highly recommend taking a look at our print patterns, and remember that shipping is flat rate for our print patterns. So it's a $6 ship no matter how many patterns you get. I just did an order a few minutes ago and somebody had ordered 6 print patterns and paid $6 shipping for all of those to be shipped to that person. So it was a great deal. So I hope you take advantage of it as you're checking out this week. And last but not least, now you're the first to know that Love Notions has a site-wide sale coming very soon. We kind of switched up our format for site-wide sales, and we're having fewer site-wide sales this year, and they're going to be very quick. They're going to be super fast. So we have an upcoming 40% off site-wide sale that is happening the last week of March. So you right now, as you're in the website getting your Feature Friday pattern and any print patterns that you need, I highly recommend going into your account and making sure that your wish list is up to date. So go through, see what looks good to you. 40% off of all digital will be happening in the coming weeks. I'll give you the info here so that you can see some of the details that we have. It's going to be a code only. It's only going to be for 5 short days. So mark your calendar, get your wish list ready, and get to thinking about what you want to be sewing this coming season. I think spring just is the perfect time to continue doing something that you know brings you joy and that feeling of a piece coming off of your sewing machine and how good that feels Let's all remember that and get excited about what we're sewing. It's just kind of like having these new pieces of fabric is giving me life, it's really making me feel excited and energized and rejuvenated, I guess. Like, just spring is the time to remember like how great sewing feels, how some fresh new pieces in my wardrobe will really make an impact. That's the news from Love Notions this week. Thank you for sticking with this long video here, just covering a ton of different things. I want to hear from you. Please tell me what you're sewing right now, what is giving you life when it comes to your sewing space and sewing patterns, and what are you excited to sew with right now? I just shared some new fabrics that I'm excited to sew with. What are you excited to sew with? Can't wait to talk with you more, share more sewing patterns. So make sure that you like, follow, subscribe, do all the things to stay in touch with Love Notions. We'll see you later, and happy sewing. Bye.